Which car insurance is the best? Unfortunately, there is no best car insurance, as this depends upon your individual circumstances, needs, budget, lifestyle, and the type of car you drive. To help decide the level of cover you need, the Australian Securities and Investments Commission, ASIC, suggests considering the following questions. If I crash into a luxury sports car, could I afford their repairs? Is my car likely to be broken into? How will I get around if my car is stolen or written off? Thanks for watching. To get more videos related to loan and insurance, please subscribe to our channel. If you like this video, kindly share this with your friends and family. Don't forget to hit the like button. If you have any queries, please comment in the comment section.